Well, welcome back to Daryn Klein Racing. It's Monday the 15th. It's about 4:30. We're going to see if we can't get this side finished up tonight. Doug gets back here. Shouldn't be that big of a deal. Thanks for all who watched the last video. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the thumbs up or the picture of Daryn's race card in the lower right hand corner. Don't forget to turn the bell notification on so you don't miss any videos. Can't really tell from here, from this angle, what's been done and what's not been done till you get to the side, then you can really see it. Well, she's completely polished. Now to start the wax job. George is pointing out hazy spots that Doug's getting it out, doing his best. A lot of it will come off with the wax. She's looking a lot better. Making stuff that's supposed to shine, shine. Wiping it down with this Renegade Easy Red Sprayable metal polish. Wipe it on, rub it in a little bit, and wipe it off. Looks a lot better than that. First two panels are waxed down to the slide. I got wax on these two down to the slide. That may be it for tonight. Arms are getting tired, but we're making progress. Oh, Ricky's back there. Rattle Can Ricky working on the end caps of the back door. Ricky's in his element down there. You see the rattle can. That looks like lubricant. It's freeing up the eyes on the end of it that you can hang an engine hoist from if you got to change engine at the track. There is actually white behind there.
That ain't too bad looking either. Once I get it scrubbed off.
Doug's making a mess.
It'll be nice when it's done.
That's what they look like before he started. This is what he was working on back here. These.
I don't even know why I'm doing it because it's just going to get dirty again, but it'll be years before it gets dirty again.
Yeah, it's probably never been cleaned.
No. And you remember how many times you and I leaned against it?
Oh, yeah.
Pretty dirty.
And the front four panels above the slide are done. So is the aluminum trim. You can definitely see a difference from here to back here with the wax and the aluminum trim. Winter cleanup.
Back down.
It's all grease and dirt from in here. Since he's cleaning it, the door chatter's got a lot less. So found our door chatter. Well, Rattle Can Ricky was at it again. Ground all that down. Got all the old paint off of it. Painted it. Looks a heck of a lot better than it did before. It is Saturday the 27th. Hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. We're back here at it. I'm going to try and get the other side waxed, and Doug is scraping out the track where the lift gate rides. You see how mess he's got out of there. Having greased in, the dirt just sticks to it. On the last pass of wax. That one puts it on a lot faster than mine does. Well, this side is done. Should have been polished, waxed, wheels shined up with polish, top trim, front trim, Definitely a lot of work, but it makes a big difference. We gotta figure out what we're gonna do here. I probably tried a little bit of my spray stuff. I mean, you can, I don't know if the camera shows it, but you can tell a difference, but it's not shiny like that is. Ricky's been painting hooks yellow. He did them. He got the ones here at the back. A lot of work and it never ends. He's got them painted. They were all chipped and looking nasty. Since I put the blower in the toter, carbon monoxide detector hasn't gone off, but the door's been shut for 2 weeks. It just started going off today, this morning, Doug said when he got here. Ain't been nothing running over here, so I don't know. I guess the detector's going bad, but it was only put in this spring. Maybe the air's just getting stale. I think we're gonna wax this side next and polish the trim. That's what my hand looks like after polishing trim. Just doing it by hand and not with a machine. Well, we will start on this side next week. It just needs wax and the metal polished. That's going to do it for this one. Hope you all had a Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you all later.